This 5-minute solution will show you how to make pictures fit for wallpaper on iPhone. First of all, go to your iPhone Photos app and now open the photo that you want to make wallpaper, and now tap on Edit at the top right and now tap on Crop at the bottom right and tap on Preset at the top right, and here select Wallpaper, and this is wallpaper size. Now you can crop your photo like this, so I'm selecting this part for making my wallpaper. Now tap on Done. Once it's cropped, tap on Share at the bottom left and here select Use as Wallpaper, and as you can see, it's fit now for wallpaper. This is how we can make pictures fit wallpaper. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.